Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Once again another look in new renders. Apple's new upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone 17 Air surface, in leaked new 3D renders. According to the latest available data, leaked 3D renders reveal the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone 17 Air, showing a bold new design that resembles Google Pixel cameras and smartphone specifications. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple fans can now get their first look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone 17 Air, thanks to recently leaked 3D printed models based on CAD designs. A bold new camera design. According to the leaks, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a slim camera module with just a single lens, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max will sport a significantly larger camera system. The triple lens setup remains, but the flash has been repositioned to the far edge of the camera module, instead of being centrally placed as in previous iPhone models. Despite its resemblance to the Google Pixel lineup, the iPhone 17 Pro Max and 17 Air still retain Apple's signature design language. However, this radical shift has sparked mixed reactions. Some Apple fans welcome the fresh design, arguing that Apple's iPhones have become repetitive over the years, while others worry that a Pixel-like design could dilute Apple's brand identity. What else is new for iPhone 17 Pro? However, according to the information, Apple is planning major design changes beyond just the display. These include switching from titanium to aluminum for the frame, a back panel combining aluminum and glass, rather than full glass, a new rectangular camera module. A recently unverified rumor suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro models may introduce a new display technology called low dielectric TE, which could reduce signal interference and improve energy efficiency, potentially extending battery life. Additionally, Jeff Pu, a tech analyst, claims that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a significantly smaller dynamic island, thanks to Apple's MetalLens technology. This innovation shrinks the Face ID system while maintaining performance, effectively freeing up more screen space. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also rumored to feature the new A19 Pro chip, Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip, 12GB RAM for improved multitasking, upgraded 48MP telephoto camera, replacing the 12MP sensor in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple's 2025 iPhone lineup is expected to launch in September, following its traditional release cycle. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.